And we start this hour with an update on the coronavirus here in Kern. Eye-popping numbers released today. The most cases reported in a single day since the virus swept into Kern County. Nearly 1,900 new cases reported this morning, 12 more souls lost to COVID-19. And officials say the worst may still be ahead. Keeping track of the virus is being made even more difficult by delays from the laboratories reporting the test results. And businesses don't know when they'll be able to open back up as COVID-19 continues to ravage the people and the economy of California. We're following it all tonight with team coverage for you. 17's Eitan Wallace and Karen Wah are on deck, but we begin with 17's Alex Fisher. He joins us now in studio this evening to talk about the overwhelming surge in cases and why this may indicate the beginning of a very grim and very lengthy journey. Alex?
Yeah, Jim, we are in the thick of the coronavirus crisis, and numbers show that we are just at the beginning unless drastic measures are taken. So let's take a look at where we stand today. We have nearly 17,000 cases of coronavirus confirmed here in Kern County since March, and more than 2 out of 3 people in the county are considered active who have coronavirus. Our hospitalization rate continues to rise. We see 197 people in the hospital right now receiving treatment, and this is concerning because, again, that number continues to rise. And what we've seen over the last several weeks is the number that is reported will most likely increase as more data becomes available to public health. So what exactly does that mean? It means that the number that we reported several days ago has probably gone up because, again, public health is reporting more hospitalizations. Unfortunately, 135 people in Kern County have lost their lives to this novel virus. 49 people have died this month alone. So let's kind of show you where we've been over the last several months. Again, remember this, back in early March when we saw our first case. Since then, we have only gone up. But we really did not see things balloon until Kern County reopened back in the middle to late part of May. Now, there are several factors that could be leading to an increase in coronavirus cases. Local health officials say that we had several holidays, of course. We'd had Memorial Day, Father's Day, and of course, most recent, the 4th of July. We also had the protests back in early June as well. All of these could be contributing factors. Also keep in mind the weather started to warm up and people started to go outside and have social gatherings. Now, I want you to pay attention particularly to this area, and this is where we've seen the most of these new cases. Clearly, things are only getting worse when we talk about new cases, but this area in blue, the reason why this is the most concerning area is because positive cases keep getting added to this area. Now, our worst day so far during this pandemic was July 7th. Keep in mind, that was after the 4th of July, just a few days after the 4th, when we saw 704 cases. That is our current peak. Our old peak was on June 30th. Now, the reason why this is startling, of course, is because we're seeing several hundreds of people being confirmed with a coronavirus case every single day. But what we're seeing is not necessarily a direct effect from the 4th of July holiday. As you can see this drop off right here? There are still tests that are being processed, and that is what is concerning, especially for local health officials. So it's hard to say. We don't know exactly where we are right now because of the backlog of these tests, and our local health officials are trying to fill that backlog so we get a better understanding of where we are today, and that could still take several weeks before we find that out. So that's a look at where we've been. Let's look at where we are now and where we could be going in the coming months. Unfortunately, it is a grim picture. So where we are today, 135 people have died in Kern County from this virus since March, and the projections from the state public health department shows that Kern County could see more than 1,500 deaths by September. Now, let's explain that for a second. As you can see, that's that red line that I'm talking about right here. The State Department of Public Health says we could reach that 1,551 death toll mark by September if we start to reopen quickly. That means no restrictions. It's basically business as normal. However, as you know, we have new restrictions that are in effect in Kern County, which means that it will be very unlikely for us to hit that number, thankfully, but still, we are on track to track several more hundred deaths in the coming months. We are primarily in this blue line right here with some restrictions, with restrictions continuing. So it is possible, according to this model, that if current restrictions are in place, we could see 650 people die by September, which of course is startling news. That's why local health officials stress the importance of, if you are someone who has an underlying health condition, to stay home as much as possible. And if you are out and about and gathering with people and you cannot socially distance, that's why health officials, of course, say it is so essential for you to wear a mask so this number and the amount of cases that we've been talking about can continue to decline. So again, we want to stress that this is only a model. These are only projections and can change every single day, and it depends on the data that is coming in. So we will, of course, keep you updated as more data becomes available. But for now, I'm Alex Fisher for 17 News. I'll send it back to you.